This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh yesterday said that the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO will assist development projects in the Northeast through space technology. The ISRO will contribute by offering optimum utilization of satellite imaging and other space technology applications for better accomplishments of infrastructural projects in all the 8 states of the northeastern region. Chairing a high-level meeting with senior officers of the Ministry of DONA and ISRO scientists, the minister said that 6 out of 8 states in the northeast have already sent their specific proposals for execution by the ISRO. The remaining 2 states, Sikkim and Assam, will send their proposals soon. Dr. Jitendra Singh informed that ISRO is already monitoring and geotagging 67 projects at 221 sites in all the 8 states funded by the Ministry of DONA or Northeastern Council. The Meghalaya government has decided to provide 100% budgetary support to MEECL for the Atma Nirbhar loan. The matter was discussed during the state cabinet meeting yesterday, and after a threadbare discussion, the government has decided to give a chance to the MEECL and the Power Department with 100% budgetary support. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that this support will come with certain targets for the MEECL, which has to be achieved in a time-bound manner. Besides, there has to be some kind of security in terms of mortgage of assets to Government of Meghalaya to ensure some kind of safety and security to the state government. The Assam government has included sanitary napkins and baby food in the list of flood relief materials for the first time. Talking to All India Radio, Principal Secretary of Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Avinash Joshi said that the state government has decided and has given much emphasis for the welfare of women and children. All the deputy commissioners have been told to provide child-friendly space in the relief camps. If a student lost books due to floods, it would be reimbursed by the administration. Stating that sufficient funds are available under the SDRF, the Assam government has already given 75 crore rupees to the district administrations to tackle the flood situation. The NDRF teams are stationed at 8 places in the state to be deployed for rescue and relief works if required. The Nagaland government has announced extension of the statewide lockdown till the 18th of this month. State spokesperson on COVID-19 and Minister Nebar Krono said the high-powered committee under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Nipoirio held a meeting yesterday and decided to extend the lockdown with more relaxations, which include opening of shops and business establishments from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Nagaland now has 3,893 active COVID-19 cases. The state recorded the single-day highest recoveries yesterday as 965 patients have recovered from COVID-19. The state also reported 186 fresh positive cases and 3 deaths, adding the total number of COVID-19 fatalities to 421. Meghalaya yesterday reported 448 new COVID-19 positive cases, besides 16 new deaths and 507 recoveries. The total number of active cases in the state now stands at 4,849. So far, a total of 694 people have lost their lives due to COVID-19 in the state. Meghalaya till date has 39,983 confirmed COVID-19 cases, out of which 34,440 people have already recovered. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma yesterday announced the setting up of 10 new commando battalions in the state. Talking to media persons at Kaziranga after his meeting with the superintendents of police, he said that a recruitment drive will be carried out by the state police and an additional manpower will be recruited within the current year for the ease of work in the police department. Mr. Sarma asserted that his government would not allow illegal cow syndicate in the state. He also announced the setting up of 7 new forensic laboratories within the next 6 months. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.